LCM stands for the three words lowest common multiple. Let us first understand what I mean by the word multiple. If I have a number, then the multiple of that number would be obtained by multiplying that number by integer numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So basically this is a table. This is the table of that number. I have here, for example, the number 15. So the multiples of the number 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75 and so on. 15 is the first multiple of 15. 30 is the second multiple of 15 and the 10th multiple of 15 is 150. Similarly, I can obtain the multiples of 12, which are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60 and so on. Now in these two sets of multiples, I can easily see that there are some common multiple numbers. For example, 60 is occurring in both the sets and 120 is also occurring in both the sets. The lowest common multiple amongst the two sets is surely the number 60. Before I explain to you how I obtain the LCM of two numbers, I must explain to you what is the meaning of factors. A number that can divide a given number without a remainder is a factor of that given number. For example, let us take 12 as the given number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 will all divide this number 12 without a remainder, and therefore these are the factors of 12. Out of this set we can find that the least prime factor of 12 is 2. Let us take another example, that is 15. We find that 1, 3, 5 and 15 are the factors of 15 because they will divide the number 15 without a remainder. And the least prime factor of 15 is the number 3. Now we are ready to understand how to find LCM of any two numbers. Let us take an example. Let us have 12 and 16. We have to find the LCM of these two given numbers. So we write these two numbers separated by a comma and then we enclose them by two lines making a shape of L, and then we try to find out which is the lowest prime number which is a factor of these two numbers. So because both of them are even, the lowest prime factor would be 2. So I would get answer here as 6 and 8. Again, the lowest common lowest prime factor for these two numbers 6 and 8 is 2. So I get the answer 3 and 4. Now 3 and 4 doesn't have any lower number which is the factor which is the prime factor, because 3 itself is a prime number. So the LCM would be found by multiplying 2 into 2 into 3 into 4. So that would be 48. Now let us do a more difficult example. Let us find the LCM of 18 and uh, 24. So again, I have written them separated by comma. I have put two lines like this. Now it both are divisible by 2, so this will be 9 here, and here it will be 12. Now in this case, these are, one of them is an odd number, and this happens, both of them happens to be divisible by 3. So I would get 3 and 4 as the answer. So 3 cannot be subdivided because this is one of the lowest prime factor of the number 18. So the LCM would be 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. So that would be 18 times 4. So that would be 72. Thank you for watching.